Hey, what's up? This is J. Lucky Henry. So today we're going to talk about what is a non-conforming structure, especially when it comes to real estate. You might have seen one in your neighborhood. Get ready. They ask me how I know it'll be okay. This is J. Lucky Henry, Keller Williams agent in the greater Boston area, and I want to help everyone get real. R-E-A-L. Real estate explained amazingly by Lucky in 90 seconds, give or take. Welcome back. It's J. Lucky Henry. So we're talking about non-conforming, right? Non-conforming and illegal are not synonymous. Just want to clear that up before we even get into this video. Non-conforming structures are structures that were in place at a time when their use was permitted in a certain zoning area. But now that zoning area may have changed what it allows and doesn't allow. So this structure no longer conforms to the new zoning. However, due to grandperson laws, right, whether that be grandfather or grandmother, right, that structure is allowed to continue operating under this old regulation, or perhaps new regulation, but at least allowed to operate with its same structure intact, doing its non-conforming thing now. So because states don't, at no national level do they regulate non-conforming buildings, this is very local, hyper-local, to the jurisdiction there to determine what type of regulation they are imposing on that structure, because everything else is under a new regulation. However, that non-conforming structure is allowed to remain in place in most places for as long as it continues to operate exactly the same way. There should be mostly no expansions and no long breaks in between. So if they do sell or change what they do a little bit, they've got to have the service remain uninterrupted. This is to, of course, keep the public safety and all of those important factors nicely and well monitored, because you don't want it taking a break for 6 months then starting up and not having the safety procedures in place that are now at this standard for the new zoning laws. Or perhaps, let me give you a real good example actually. You ever been in a neighborhood and you've seen like 3 or 4 houses, and then all of a sudden you see a house that looks like it has a business on it, and you're like, huh, I thought this was a residential area. How does that house that looks like a house permitted to have a building, like a whole business running outside of it, whether it be a massage business, a barbecue business, a fitness center business, or something like that? Those are examples of small, but those are examples of businesses that may have been non-conforming. At one point were allowed to be a business, and now could no longer be a business if they tried to open. That's basically in a nutshell what non-conforming is. Hope that we gave you a good explanation, good oversight, and you kind of get it. If not, drop a question below. We'll comment, give you some feedback, let you know what you think. Let us know what you think of the video as well. We've been doing these for almost a year now, getting close. I'm gonna be counting down soon, right? It's super exciting to be coming to a place where we have one of the largest libraries of real estate videos on YouTube. So again, it's been real, it's been 90, gotta go. We'll be back tomorrow with another video. This is J. Lucky Henry, and I'm here to keep it real with you. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, call or text 978-712-0244 and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more.